Next problem of the day, let's go there. All right, I know we're running on time here. A before Christmas sale gives 25% off a $40 item, and then, they're giving you another 20% off the final purchase at the register. How much money will one save on this $40 item before you get taxed to death on it? Okay, let's see where we're going to go on this. First of all, I love my proportions when it comes to percents, all right? And it's saying we're going to take 25% off of a $40 item. So remember, we have a base. We have what I like to call affectionately the part. That's what most of us do. And we have a percent, and we put that percent over 100 because that's what percent means, divide by 100. And we're going to play cross multiply once we get all the lovely details in. Now, what number are we going to put in here? We're going to start with 25 because this is a two-step, multi-step problem, all right? Two-step problem, buds. And we got 25 over 100, blah, blah, blah. Isn't that sweet? And we want to know what the discount is. And so here we go. We now have, the base was what, 40? And we're going to figure out what is our part. What's the end, so to speak. And according to this, let's go ahead and drop out the bottom there. So we're going to cross multiply. We're going to get 100 times n. You remember what cross multiply means? Go there, we there. And we're going to cut across this way. By the way, this is Wednesday's problem of the day for those of you who are taking notes here. We got 4,000 there, right? Is that what we have? We don't have 100 n. Yeah, we have 100 n equals 4,000. No, we have 40 times, let's get that right, 40 times 25. That's what happens when we cross multiply. Don't go across, diagonal it, friends, all right? Another one to point out, one of those couple little errors could happen. Oh, this is sweet. This is going to give us, I believe, 1,000. And we got 100 n. And our n value should equal 10. What does that 10 represent? That's how much money you just saved by what? 25% off. By the way, it wasn't $25, was it? Don't think percent is dollars all the time, all right? It could be if you had a $100 item, but that's the only time. Otherwise, it's going to be different. So be careful on that. But what do we got left? We have $10 we saved there. That's great. Cha-ching, in our cash register. But now they're going to take that away from the 40, and we're going to regroup on this problem one more time, and we're going to have me enough space to keep my head from going out of view. Good. And we're going to do the same thing. Part, base, we don't know the part. We're going to look for the extra discount. But this time it's based on 30. My friends, they don't go back and take care of 40 again. No, you're now down to $30. That's where you're going to get that 20% off. And here we go, 20 over 100. And we got in there. And again, it's not $20 you lose, friends, all right? So cross multiply, let's see, we got 100n equaling to, how do we look at it? 600. It looks like this time our new discount is going to be $6. Because we're going to divide that 100 into 600. So how much money did you actually save? You saved 10 plus 6, and that gave you $16 back. Not bad. Sorry, it wasn't a little bit higher. It wasn't 18, but you got to remember, it's based on what you have left over, which in this case was our 30. So there you go.